This is the only VWAP masterclass that you'll ever need to watch. Now, what's VWAP? VWAP simply means volume weighted average price. That means if you weigh the volume into the actual figure, that should be the average price of the stock at that given time. And it's not just a line that's running across your charts. I'll show you how to set it up first. In order to set up the VWAP, you need to go to the indicators tab and search VWAP VWAP and just click on this once and you'll see this big band running across your charts. And you need to double click this band, and now it's time to go to the settings. Go to visibility and turn everything off. Then you need to go to the style, make sure the color is white and make sure the thickness is a little bit thick because it's an important line, and turn the upper band, lower band, band fill off. Then go to the inputs. This is the most important part. Make sure you have hide VWAP on daily chart or above. Anchor is session and source. Sometimes it will say H plus L divided by 2. Make sure it is H plus L plus C divided by 3. And offset is 0 and band calculation mode needs to be standard. And then press OK. Once you press OK, you'll see this white line running on your charts. Now you need to know, why is this line so important? Think of this line as the average price. Let's say the prices are pushing towards the upside, and then you have this line running right here in the middle. The hedge funds cannot buy above the average price. That's literally like if your mom gave you $200 to buy groceries and you come home with 3 cucumbers and that's it. Your mom's gonna whoop your ass. Why? Because you paid above the average price of the actual things which were not meant to be $200. Same goes here as well. They cannot buy in the middle of anywhere. They have to buy either at the average price or very close to the average price. But what's happening if the prices are moving towards the downside and they want to sell? They cannot sell their phone for 200 if they can get 400 out of it, right? Why would you undercut your price? So that means they need to wait for the prices to come near the average price so they can get rid of the phone. Now, what happens when the prices are coming close to the VWAP? It can act as a strong support or strong resistance, depending on whatever the case it may be. Now, what happens if everybody's buying here? What happens if everybody's selling here? That means the buying pressure can increase, it can push the price up, and the selling pressure can increase and the prices can go down. Let me show you the example. This is the trade that I took today. It came up to the VWAP. What happened? The selling pressure increased and made a big move toward the downside. Exactly what happened on this chart. Prices made a big move, came near the VWAP, bounced, came near the VWAP, made a big bounce. Or sometimes what will happen is it will try to bounce at this critical level, then it fails. But when it fails, it will come back and retest. That's where your entry can be. And it made a big move down. Now here's the thing, the most important part. It only works after 10 a.m. Eastern time. Before that, it doesn't work because there's just not enough data for smart money to execute anything on. And if you want to learn more about these trading strategies and want to watch me actually do this stuff live, comment the word mentor down below and I'll send you all the details right away.